Today we're gonna take a break from all our woodworking and finally take the Montero on the trail, since it's got new springs, new shocks, I haven't been off-roading since I got new wheels actually even. It's a bit before I did the headlights because everybody kept asking about those, so I processed that video first. I don't have a whole lot of footage. I was having a bit of a butt puckering moment, but we'll get to that and see if we make it out safely. Alright, look at them Monteros going for a drive. Got some Monteros behind us. We're ready.
That's alright. I'm sure Leo the Russian is shitting his pants right now. Yeah, I'm ready. Do it to it.
Keeping you entertained?
There it is. There it is. Yep.
Right, so mine's done quite a few things. It's pretty cool. I left it running because it's having a hard time starting now, so I need to get a fuel pump or something, so it's just running, but the temp seems to be alright.
Y'all ready for this? Flip it. So we might stay home and do our stuff and then get this to the house so they have it delivered. Yeah. He was gonna hit it like a bull in China. There you go. Come on. Come on. There it is. There it is. Come on. Oh, so close. Just back it up a little bit. Now punch it. Nah. There you go. There you go. Got it. Let's go, Leo. Got it.
Having some kind of problem. The gas tank is really pressurized, and I had fuel actually coming out while we were driving. But that might be why it's been having a hard time starting. I filled up to full too right before I got here, so maybe that has something to do with it. Well, I'm obviously home safe. Montero made it. The rain's about to wash away all that fine sand that we got, which looks pretty clean. It actually is surprisingly looking clean, just some dust mostly on that rear bumper. But I was gonna do some treadmill stuff for future projects. day, but it's raining now. I don't know if you can tell, but great success. We made it fine. Oh, Marcia thinks it's just the charcoal canister there that needs to be replaced. But have a great Thanksgiving. I'll see you guys in the next project, whatever we'll do.